I'm John, and in this lesson, we're going to study jobs in English, the medical professions. Practice exercises are at the end of the video. A doctor. What do you do? I'm a doctor. I see patients, find out what's wrong, and give them medicine. Do you help with all kinds of sickness? Yes, I help with many illnesses and tell you if you need to see a special doctor. A doctor sees patients, finds out what's wrong, gives medicine to patients. What is the doctor doing? The doctor is seeing a patient. A nurse. What do you do? I'm a nurse. I help patients in the hospital, give them medicine, and take care of them. Do you work with doctors? Yes, I work with doctors and make their jobs easier. A nurse helps patients in the hospital, gives patients medicine, takes care of patients. What is the nurse doing? The nurse is taking care of a patient. The nurse is helping the patient. A dentist. What do you do? I'm a dentist. I check teeth, clean them, and fix them if they hurt. Do you make teeth healthy? Yes, I help people have healthy and strong teeth. A dentist checks teeth, cleans teeth, fixes teeth if they hurt. What is the dentist doing? The dentist is checking the patient's teeth. A pharmacist. What do you do? I'm a pharmacist. I give people their medicine and tell them how to take it. Do you work in a doctor's office? No, I don't. I work in a pharmacy. I can give you advice about many medicines and how they help you. A pharmacist gives people their medicine, tells people how to take it, works in a pharmacy. What is the pharmacist doing? The pharmacist is giving medicine to a customer. The pharmacist is telling her how to take it. A surgeon. What do you do? I'm a surgeon. I do operations to fix parts inside the body. Is it hard to do? Yes, I have to be careful. I have assistants to help me. A surgeon does operations to fix parts inside the body. Works with assistants. What are the surgeons doing? The surgeons are operating on someone and working together. Quiz time! Which profession is it? I work in a hospital. I'm a specialist. I do operations on patients and help them feel better. Doctor, surgeon, dentist, pharmacist. That's right, it's B. Surgeon. I have an office. I see patients and diagnose them with illnesses. I prescribe them medicine to take. Doctor, nurse, dentist, pharmacist. That's right, it's A. Doctor. I work in a hospital. I take care of patients. I help the doctor with a lot of things. Nurse, dentist, pharmacist. That's right, it's A. Nurse. I help patients feel better by checking, cleaning, and fixing teeth. Dentist, pharmacist. That's right, it's A. Dentist. The last one is pharmacist. Now it's your turn. What does a pharmacist do? Where do they work? Write it in the comment section. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, consider joining the channel and becoming an English fan or English explorer. Remember, quiz questions are in the community section. Please like, share, and subscribe, and see you in the next lesson.